In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use time limit coupon on Klaviyo. To get started, sign into your Klaviyo account and look at the left sidebar. You are going to find the Content section. Click into Content and then select Coupons. This is the area where Klaviyo lets you create and manage the coupon codes you will use in your emails and flows. Once you are on the Coupons page, move your attention to the top right corner. Click the button that says Create Coupon. This opens the setup where you will define the coupon details, including its name, how many codes are available, and when it should expire. Now enter a coupon name. This is the label you will use to recognize it later inside Klaviyo, so choose something clear and consistent. For example, you might use a name that matches the promotion, like a welcome discount. A short, readable name makes it easier to find the right coupon when you are building campaigns, automations, or templates. Next, set the minimum coupon count. This controls how many coupon codes are available for Klaviyo to generate or manage for your promotion. Make sure this number matches your expected volume, so you do not run out of available codes while the offer is still active. If you plan to send this coupon to a larger audience or run it in an automated flow that triggers every day, it is smart to set a higher count so the promotion can keep running smoothly. After that, set the expiration to create the time limit. This is where you decide how long the coupon stays valid. You can set it to expire after a certain period, such as after 1 year, or you can choose to end it on a specific date. Use a specific date when you are running a scheduled sale or a limited time promotion with a clear end. Use a longer window when it is an ongoing offer that still needs a cutoff point for tracking and control. Once those settings are in place, your time-limited coupon is ready to use in your Klaviyo messaging. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.